Honeybees are not just busy workers, they are remarkable navigators, employing an extraordinary technique to find their way home. These tiny creatures harness the power of the sun to guide their journeys, a skill that showcases their unique adaptability and intelligence. During daylight, bees utilize the position of the sun in the sky as a compass. They have a built-in biological clock that allows them to estimate the sun's movement throughout the day, adjusting their flight path accordingly. This ability is crucial as the sun's position changes, impacting their navigation. To aid their quest for nectar, bees also use polarized light patterns in the sky, which are invisible to humans. This clever adaptation enables them to maintain their course even when the sun is obscured by clouds. Moreover, bees communicate their discoveries through a mesmerizing dance known as the waggle dance, sharing the direction and distance of food sources with their hive mates. This intricate system of navigation is vital for their survival, highlighting the incredible relationship between these industrious insects and the natural world around them, ensuring the continuity of their species and the ecosystem.